Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best automatic stir is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in years, promising to revolutionize how we cook by eliminating the tedious task of constantly stirring sauces, soups, and stews, ensuring perfectly consistent results every time without the need for manual intervention, freeing up your hands and attention for other culinary preparations or simply to relax while your meal cooks itself to perfection. Number 5. Farberware Meat Masher and Chopper Tool. Introducing a kitchen essential designed with 5 beveled blades. It's engineered for optimal mashing, chopping, and stirring, breaking up meats quickly and evenly right in the pan. This is more than just a meat chopper, it's your go-to for mashing potatoes or stirring batter. It handles multiple prep and cooking tasks, making meal preparation faster and easier every day. Worry less about high temperatures with this tool. It's built to withstand heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it safe for use in hot skillets and pans, even with non-stick surfaces. Keep your countertops clean with its thoughtful design. The elevated head stays off the surface when set down, preventing messes and adding everyday convenience to your cooking space. Cleanup is a breeze as it's fully dishwasher safe. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year replacement guarantee and a lifetime limited warranty. What we like? This tool is designed with 5 beveled blades, making it incredibly efficient for mashing, chopping, and stirring. Its heat resistance up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit means you can use it directly in hot pans. If you frequently cook ground meats or potatoes and want a versatile tool that simplifies prep and cleanup, this is a great choice. What people say. It stirs continuously and evenly, preventing food from sticking to the bottom. The adjustable stirring speed is great for different types of dishes, from thick stews to delicate sauces. It's rechargeable and holds a charge for a long time, making it convenient for multiple cooking sessions without needing to be plugged in. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Mini and Mighty Milk Frother Wand. Experience silky smooth foam in seconds for all your favorite drinks. This compact frother is perfect for use at home, in the office, or even while traveling. Its high-speed motor with a unique spiral whisk creates consistent microfoam. It's also great for quickly mixing in creamers, collagen, or protein powders. Forget about charging downtime. Simply insert 2 AA batteries and you're ready to froth anytime, anywhere. Cleaning is a breeze with its detachable whisk that rinses easily. The handle can be wiped clean, and the whisk is heat-resistant and rust-proof. Weighing just 28 grams and measuring 18.4 centimeters, it easily fits into any bag or drawer. It makes a perfect, affordable gift for any coffee lover. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help make it right. What we like? This frother is incredibly compact and battery-operated, making it perfect for on the go. Its powerful motor whips up silky foam in seconds for all your favorite coffee drinks. If you're someone who enjoys lattes, cappuccinos, or matcha at home, in the office, or while traveling, and you value convenience and portability, this is the one for you. What people say. This automatic pot stirrer is a game changer for busy cooks. It frees up your hands and ensures your food doesn't stick or burn. I love how adjustable the stirring speed is. It works perfectly for everything from simmering sauces to boiling pasta. The battery life is surprisingly long. I've used it multiple times on a single charge, which is incredibly convenient. Number 3. Elite Gourmet EHB 2425X Immersion Hand Blender. Introducing the Elite Gourmet EHB 2425X Immersion Hand Blender. Its powerful 150-watt motor is designed to blend, puree, mix, and chop with ease. This versatile tool doubles as a mixer and chopper, perfect for creating soups, sauces, and baby food. You can use it right in your pots and bowls. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the detachable wand with blades, which is completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. The durable stainless steel blades are built to last and resist staining. They ensure consistent performance for all your blending needs. Whip up healthy drinks, smooth shakes, delicious sauces, and hearty soups with this convenient appliance. It makes preparing your favorite food simple and fast. With its one-touch operation, this blender is incredibly easy to use. Just press the button and let it do the work for you. What we like? With a robust 150-watt motor, this immersion blender excels at blending, pureeing, mixing, and chopping. The detachable, dishwasher-safe wand ensures easy cleanup. If you often make soups, sauces, or baby food directly in your pots and bowls, and you're looking for a powerful yet easy-to-clean solution, this blender is an excellent fit. What people say. The automatic stirrer is a game-changer for cooking, especially for sauces and gravies. It keeps everything moving constantly, preventing burning and sticking. I love how this stirrer has multiple speed settings, allowing me to adjust it based on what I'm cooking. It's also surprisingly quiet during operation. The rechargeable battery lasts for a long time, and it's easy to clean. The detachable stirring head makes it convenient for washing. Number 2. Vondior 4-cup fat separator with peeler. Enjoy healthier gravies, soups, and sauces with this essential kitchen tool. It quickly and effortlessly separates fat, making your meals lighter and more delicious. It's also perfect for holiday roasts. This improved separator works with both hot and cold liquids. Use it to separate fat from gravies and soups, or to quickly remove pulp from fruit juice. The built-in strainer ensures you get only pure liquid. Separating fat is simple with its innovative bottom release design. Just press the red button on the handle, and the liquid drips out cleanly, leaving unwanted pieces behind. It's designed for your convenience. Crafted from clear, leak-free plastic, this separator is built to last. It features a silicone drip plug and clear measurements on the bottom. All parts are heat-resistant, BPA-free, and top-shelf dishwasher-safe. This package includes a bonus 3-in-1 peeler with a stainless steel blade. It's perfect for peeling, shaving, and slicing fruits and vegetables, making meal prep even easier. Make delicious homemade gravy for Thanksgiving or any occasion. Its large 4-cup capacity is ideal for preparing gravy for the whole family, ensuring every drop is enjoyed. Cleanup is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe. We stand by its quality with a 3-year warranty, so you can purchase with confidence. Contact us anytime for assistance. What we like. This fat separator features a convenient bottom release and a built-in strainer to quickly separate fat from liquids. It also comes with a bonus 3-in-1 peeler. If you're focused on making healthier gravies, soups, or sauces, especially for holiday meals like Thanksgiving, and you appreciate tools that simplify healthy cooking and offer added value, this is an ideal option. What people say. This automatic pot stirrer is a game-changer for busy cooks. It frees up your hands so you can multitask without worrying about burning your food. The stirrer has multiple speed settings, allowing you to adjust it to different cooking needs. It's also easy to clean, with detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. Number 1. PowerLix Black Handheld Milk Frother. Love your coffee with lots of froth and foam? This portable handheld frother is perfect for creating that cafe-style cappuccino right at home. It even comes with a stand for easy countertop storage. Enjoy perfect froth without the hassle of cords. Simply heat your milk, immerse the frother, and turn it on. In just 15 to 20 seconds, you'll have creamy froth ready for your favorite coffee drinks. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this frother boasts a powerful motor for double the performance of other models. Its durable whisk won't rust or break, ensuring long-lasting use. Designed to complement any modern kitchen, this lightweight frother is easy to handle and clean. It's not just for milk, use it to create delicious milkshakes or cocktails with both hot and cold liquids. We're confident you'll love this electric frother. It comes with a lifetime warranty and dedicated US-based customer service, so you can reach out with any questions. Order yours today. What we like. This milk frother boasts a powerful motor for quick, creamy froth and comes with a convenient stand for easy storage. It operates quietly, ensuring a peaceful start to your morning. If you love a foamy coffee and want a reliable, easy-to-use frother that looks good on your counter and is backed by a lifetime warranty, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This automatic pot stirrer is a game-changer for busy cooks. It frees up your hands and ensures your food doesn't burn or stick to the bottom of the pot. The adjustable speed settings allow you to customize the stirring intensity for different dishes, from delicate sauces to hearty stews. It's also incredibly easy to clean, with detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. I was skeptical at first, but this stirrer exceeded my expectations. It's surprisingly quiet and doesn't disrupt the kitchen ambience. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. It fits perfectly in my various pot sizes, from small saucepans to larger stock pots. The silicone base prevents scratching the cookware, which is a huge plus for my non-stick pans. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.